Today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should go into the Gmail application and then click here on the right upper corner. Now you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time, and just to log out from one from these accounts you should click on the manage accounts on this device and then click here to the Google. As can you see here, we got these two Google accounts, and now we just should remove one from the Google accounts here, and by this way we'll log out from the Gmail application. So for example, we'll log out from the second one, click here, tap to the more and click to the remove account. Confirm to click to remove account again, and as can you see, in our Google account settings we stay only with one account, and now we'll go back to the application and we'll check it here, and as can you see, in the app we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.